video tutorial, we will see how to print triangle pattern. Let's quickly move to Visual Studio Code. We can see here, in the beginning of every line, there are space characters which are gradually increasing line by line from 0 to 4, and those spaces are appended with number characters. Those number characters are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the first line. In the second line, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the third line, 1, 2, 3. In the fourth line, 1, 2, and 1, which are gradually decreasing line by line. Along with every number, a space character is appended. Let's type code to print this pattern. This is our triangle.py file. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here. While I less than 5, 5 is number of iteration. At the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. So our I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of 5th iteration, I value will become 5, 5 less than 5, condition is false and it is going to stop the iteration. Here we require one more while loop. Declare and initialize a variable j with 0, which we are going to use for our nested while loop. While j less than value, in the first line there are 5 numbers, so we are going to start with 5 minus I, and at the end of every iteration we are going to increase j value by 1. So here in the first iteration, j value is going to start from 0. 0 less than 5 minus I value is 0. 5 minus 0, 5. Then 1 less than 5. Then 2 less than 5. Then 3 less than 5 and 4 less than 5. It is going to take 5 values and 5 iterations, and at the end of 5th iteration, j value will be 5, 5 less than 5, condition false and iteration will stop here. Similarly, for the second iteration, I value will become 1. So here 5 minus 1, which is going to give us 4. J value will start from 0. 0 less than 4, then 1 less than 4, 2 less than 4, 3 less than 4. This is how this nested while loop is going to work. Let's print the space characters which we require in the beginning of every line. Space characters are gradually increasing line by line from 0 to 4. We can directly use I value here. Here we are going to use AND, which we have already discussed in our previous video, why we require AND. Now in the nested while loop we are going to use print statement print to print the numbers, which is going to start with j value is 0, so to require the required output we need to add 1 into that, and we are going to separate the second character with the space. At the end of this print statement we require one enter, so to print the next print statement in the next line. For that we need this print without any value. So let's print the result in the terminal. Run py triangle.py file. This is our expected number triangle pattern. In the next video we will see another type of number triangle pattern.